What if I told you the future of medicine isn't just in a lab? It's coming out of a printer. Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about 3D printed organs. Number 5. Scientists can now 3D print a living human heart using a patient's own cells. This means custom-made organs with 0 risk of rejection. Imagine that. Number 4. A young child received a 3D printed windpipe that's actually alive and grows with her body. It's a living, expanding implant. Number 3. These printers don't use plastic. They use bioink made from living cells. They are literally printing life layer by layer. Number 2. A 3D printed kidney successfully filtered blood for 19 days. This breakthrough means the end of organ shortages could be just a few years away. And the most incredible fact, number 1. Surgeons are now printing organs directly inside the body, repairing damage without ever removing the organ. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's a medical revolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.